manpower requirement, the complexities of the computational arrangements that is required here. So all these factors also be spatially evaluated before deciding on the locations where we can place these sensors. Not only one location, in multiple locations. This entire arrangement need a solid and objective decision making approach. Okay, so you know, uh, as I have already said, decision making support reliable site specific data allows for informed decisions regarding coastal resource management, infrastructure planning, and hazard mitigation. As I have said, you can not only the management, not only the salinity, but with the help of this salinity, actually, we will manage the infrastructure that can be developed there. If there are increase in salinity, if there are uh, hazard due to salinity of water, then how to mitigate them and how we can manage the coastal resources. So that is why we require an objective way approach to identify the location of sensor placement. Okay, so this is extremely important because a sensor arrangement in optimal location will ensure optimal and universal monitoring, which will ensure proper problem identification, and also this will ensure the implementation of mitigative efforts, right? So all are interlinked. So a simple decision making architecture, if we can develop for objective selection of location, for installation of sensors which will monitor the salinity of coastal water, right, in strategic locations, right, then it will improve the data quality, the data accessibility, and data analysis ability for a intelligent and optimal decision making. Okay, so that is why this internship or this idea for research internship or uh, project will only deal with the development of an optimal ideal methodology to put the sensors in place and help them to monitor the salinity of the coastal water. Okay, so how you can do it, right? We can do it now with the help of either MCDM techniques or bio-inspired optimization technique. By MCDM technique, you can use HP, you can use ANP, you can use Electray, you can use Promethi, multiple methods are there in here. Yes. The full form of MCDM is multi-criteria decision making, and all these methods are multi-criteria decision making methods. Anyone, not only these four, there are multiple methods. And also you can use bio-inspired optimization technique like genetic algorithm, ANN, or ant colony optimization, etc. to find the optimal locations. Okay, and what should be the proposed methodology? You have to first select the criteria, then select the alternative. This alternative